What's up, guys? Okay, so today we are doing another American Heritage Girls badge requirement. So we are doing the oath in ASL. It's actually not that hard. So it's I promise to love God. I promise to love God, cherish my family. So cherish my family, honor my country. So honor my country is go Y, do this, country, and serve my community. So serve, like serve, and then community. That's it. So you will need to know that for you to be able to get your sign language badge in American Heritage Girls. So yeah, if you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I will be doing more badge requirements on my channel, so if you want to see more, make sure you click that notification bell so you'll know when more comes up. Okay, bye.